ready to transform your bland Shopify product pages into eye-catching sales machines. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to add a GIF to your Shopify product page and instantly boost engagement. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, click on Products in the left-hand navigation menu. Select the product you want to add the GIF to by clicking on its name. Scroll down to the product description area. This is where the magic happens. In the rich text editor, find the Insert Image icon. It usually looks like a small picture frame. Click it. A pop-up window will appear here. You have two options. You can upload a GIF directly from your computer or paste the URL of a GIF that's already hosted online. For this example, let's assume you have a GIF hosted elsewhere. Select an image from URL. Paste the complete URL of your GIF into the provided field. Make sure the URL is correct so the GIF loads properly. Once you paste the URL, the GIF should appear in the product description box. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner of the page. Now, visit your product page on your live Shopify store. You should see your GIF beautifully integrated, making your product listing way more dynamic and engaging. And that's it. A simple GIF can really elevate your product page. Experiment with different GIFs to find what works best for your brand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. #Shopify tips, #GIFs URL.